नमस्कार जी। आपकी पंजाब और हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट के लिए अनसीन डिक्टेशन बोलने जा रहा हूँ। इंग्लिश की स्पीड रहेगी जी 80 से 85 वर्ड पर मिनट, इससे ऊपर नहीं होगी। तो टाइम वेस्ट ना करते हुए अब हम डिक्टेशन स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं। यस बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। बोथ द parties had adduced evidence before the labor court in support of their rival stands. Stop. The absence of departmental inquiry before the passing of the impugned order by the respondents pales into insignificance. Stop. The learned labor court, after examining the evidence adduced from both sides, had come to the conclusion that the office order relied upon by the petitioner as her appointment letter was forged document. Stop. The evidence of management could not be demolished in cross examination. Stop. No employer slash employee relationship even came into existence between the petitioner and the respondent. Stop. MCD. No illegality in the impugned award of the labor court justifying any interference in exercise of writ jurisdiction. USA versus Municipal Corporation of Delhi, 2012 within bracket 4 RSJ 198 within bracket Delhi. Stop. Articles 226 Punjab Police Rules, 1934, Rule 12.21 writ jurisdiction, delay and laches, discharge, absence from duty. Stop. Order is an order of discharge simpliciter which is in consonance with the rule 12.21 of the rules, 1934, and does fulfill the requirement of law. Stop. The petitioner had approached the court after a period of more than 5 years, which delay has not been explained by the petitioner. Stop. On this ground as well, the petition liable to be dismissed. Stop. Kuldeep Singh Constable versus State of Haryana and others, 2012 within bracket 4 RSJ 47 within bracket P and H. Stop. Articles 226, 227 Industrial Disputes Act, 1947, sections 2 within bracket S and 2 within bracket 00. Stop. Writ jurisdiction, new plea, termination, part time employee, workman contention that a part-time employee would not fall within the definition of section 2 within bracket S of the act, and therefore, the labor court was not right in ordering reinstatement for want of being clothed with industrial rights repelled. Stop. Held that it is well settled law that no new record is open to be seen by the writ court in supervisory jurisdiction which was not produced before the labor court. Stop. New pleas cannot be allowed to be entertained by this court at this stage. Stop. In any case, the master roles now produced are not determinative of the issues, since the court not inclined to appreciate the submission of the management that the workman was engaged on part-time basis, or for that reason he had no industrial rights as part-time employees are also workmen within the definition of section 2 within bracket s of the act. Stop. The headmaster, government high school, Batinda and others versus Uday Veer and another, 2012 within bracket 4 RSJ 59 within bracket P and H. Stop.